education on.
Yeah, absolutely. We've done seminars at various church groups or church organizations. I've done loan modifications for 2 church pastors of large congregations who have then in turn taken some of the people who have come to them for counsel. And I've done, gosh, probably, I want to say 5 to 10 different people through who've needed assistance, who've been able to service them through that type of relationship. And really, it's great for us because we are such a stand for people getting the relief, and that's really what is at issue. All the stuff that we're doing pragmatically, logistically speaking, requires high-level expertise, lots of technical knowledge, a good system, all that. But at the end of the day, it's pretty easy in terms of like you go to A or B. If not B, then you go to C. If not B or C, then you go to D, and so on. So it just looks like this giant flowchart, this giant stream of logic. What's really challenging is dealing with the people's emotions through it and the people's mental state. And actually, they're really tied together because somebody who is absolutely nervous, is absolutely thinking that the life is going to end and all this is going on for them, they're almost impossible to work with. We generally won't take their case just because they're looking for a specific solution, and we're telling them, hey, it's not, even if your lender's saying they're going to underwrite it in 30 days, be prepared for it to be 60. And if they're not prepared for it to be 60, we don't want to work with them because I already know where that goes. It already goes to I'm unhappy with you, and it just becomes a transfer of the circumstance. And so what's really nice when we're able to assist people through church organizations and other religious organizations is a couple things. One, we stand for offering completely free counseling for people to increase their awareness. We have a myriad of resources like this television show, like the 2 books, like the podcast, the majority of which, everything except the books, are 100% free. The books are between $9 and $18. We're certainly not getting rich off of them. And they're, we really stand for providing all of that information. And generally, when people go to the pastor or go to their religious leader, it's because they're having a moral conflict. They're going, hey, I can't get over this stress and this feeling that I've done something wrong, I've made irresponsible decisions, that God is punishing me, or et cetera, any of those thoughts. And the pastors are really wonderful in addressing that and empowering them so that when they come to us, we're just echoing the sentiment that the pastor is offering and really keeping that at the forefront of the transaction, which looks like your house isn't your life. You're still a good person. And going back to our ongoing dynamic strategy, which is, we always offer counsel, and this is a dynamic process that can take months and months and months. And guess what happens over months and months and months? Things either stay the same or they change, right? That's the only certainty. So you might lose your job, your income might go up, your income might go down, you might have another medical emergency, or your lender might change their policy. There might be a moratorium released for all of Bank of America non-judicial foreclosure state or judicial foreclosure states. They might drop the program that they had you under consideration for. They may have a completely new program that one day before your modification after 6 months of trying, you have to start all over again. So really having dynamic and consistent consultation that truly represents the best interest of the client. Being able to make choices like, you're saying you're willing to hang on for another 4 months and try this because your lender's resetting everything. I've been working with you for 3 months, and when we discuss things at the beginning of our consultation and the way I've seen this experience occur for you lets me understand, even though it might be not so clear for you, it allows me to understand that the next 4 months, I think you're underestimating what the cost is. And I'm not talking about the financial cost. I'm talking about we made a plan that said I'm not going to work on this for more than 6 months. We're now in month 8, and we're way out of the integrity of your plan. We're way outside of what you said you were comfortable with, and you said after 6 months it's forget about it 6 months ago, and now we're on month 8, and you're sitting there going, how come I'm frustrated? Why is this happening like that? So we're really able to bring that to the forefront of the reality so that people are constantly getting related to the words of counseling and guidance of their spiritual leaders, because that is really where the peace of mind exists, is in knowing everything you have, everything you need you already have. And everything comes down to what your word is. And so once you really get that, and you can really bring your spirituality or your faith or God or whatever it is for you out to the forefront and know, I'm not a bad person. It's just what's happening. I'm able to honor myself, honor my religion, honor my higher power, have a really profound relationship, and probably, just probably, have some really phenomenal spiritual growth through that. Because when you have the power to see that you're in control of that and that you are taken care of, and you see, hey, at the end of the day, all I had to do was trust and trust in the Word, then I knew, and then all of a sudden you go, oh yeah, it always has been working out for me. And that's what is the most gratifying experience that we have in providing for clients. Creates the easiest client professional interaction and provides the greatest access to solutions that provide sustainable relief.
Excellent information. We have to take a quick short break here, but please stay with us because it really is true that God answers our prayers, I believe, through other people. And in this case, in terms of your housing and the distressed homeowners that are viewing today, Leron, I feel, is that answer to prayer because he is so specific in the knowledge that he has for this specific topic that we're talking about today. Don't go away. We'll speak again with him in a moment.